Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well. So this is a completely not planned video. I have some other things that I was waiting for, but they didn't come on time. So honestly, it's not a problem. I don't really care about it. So I'm gonna do this Halloween haul video with the things that I have here. I'm gonna start from these Yankee Candle. Woo! They're so beautiful. This is the Halloween version, the Halloween limited edition. And these two candles is Witch's Brew and Forbidden Apple. And this is the candle holder with the pumpkin, and it's so cute. And look at the box with the spider webs. It's so nice. I'm gonna open this. I still never opened it. And this is what this is inside. And here it is. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this Forbidden Apple is so good. Wow, it's like the first Yankee Candle that I really like. And it's really nice in this red color, reminds me a bit of the accent. It's so nice. This is the candle holder. I think it's glass. Yeah, it's glass because you can see through it. And this is Witch's Brew. I like it, so black. And wow, this smells like incense. Oh my gosh, I think these are the only Yankee candles I really like despite of the others. I'm not a big Yankee Candle fan. I really don't know why, because I'm still buying them. But I made a really good choice because these are amazing. These are amazing, guys. I really recommend them. Then I got these two glasses from Flying Tiger. This one is so nice, and this one, look at that. There is in three colors: black, orange, and pink. And look at that. Sorry, from my phone you can barely see it, but it changes 1, 2, and 3. Got some snacks. I got these chestnuts Kit Kats and these Halloweens that I still ate them. They taste like cream caramel or pudding. These are really nice. And this is the chestnuts one. I already opened them. This is what they look like. And inside they're white chocolate. And they smell amazing. They smell between chestnut and cream caramel. It's really nice. It's all white. It's amazing. I'm swallowing. And I got this cool candle from Tiger and this pumpkin from Tiger. Oh, you can't see it, but it's lighted. Okay, now it's green, you can see it. Then I got these teacup from Disney, and it's so cute. It's in plastic, but it's so nice. And it cost me like 8 euros, but it's cool. Got these two pumpkins from Caffarel. This was with some chocolate inside. These have a kind of a little ghost made in chocolate here, but they're so cute. And you probably don't know that, but I'm kind of obsessed with Halloween pumpkins. They're so cute and I love to collect them. And this one is, it doesn't work anymore. Please. Oh. Sometimes when I'm sleeping I kind of irritate with my arms, and I feel I get up so scared. I don't ask me why I'm still sleeping with this because I don't really know. But it's so cute. Stop here. Stop here. Just let my phone fall twice and it's still alive, thankfully. Another thing that I got at Onyx was this Hogwarts bag. It's very simple inside, it's metal. And last but not least, I got the butterscotch beer, which when I showed you at Onyx, I'm gonna try it now. Oh my gosh. It smells like caramel. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Cheers. It's so good. I never expect this. Some people say that it was tasting like butter, but I don't really taste the butter. It tastes more like caramel. It tastes more like my caramel Kit Kats. It's really nice. Yeah, I love it. I really love it. Thank you guys for watching this mini kind of Halloween haul video. This was not expected to do. I was not expecting to do it today. I needed to rest before, but honestly I don't care and I have fun doing it. So I hope you had fun watching it too. As usual, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and put the notification bell on so you're notified whenever I upload a new video.